Welcome to the PHPCoin smart contract tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can create, deploy, and execute smart contract on PHPCoin blockchain network. For that, we will use our online smart contract editor on address atheos.phpcoin.net. With this editor, you can create, save, and execute files in PHPCoin smart contract engine. In this tutorial, we will create simple smart contract. Its basic function will be to count number of uses of contract. It will have counter which will be incremented by each interaction of the smart contract from user wallet. Every user address who interacts with this contract will be saved in the users list. We will now create smart contract in the file manager of the editor. In the left side panel with right click, we will open menu and select new file. Enter the name of the file and click Create. In the top of the right panel, there is Save icon. We will click it to save our new file in the editor. PHP Smart Contract is standard PHP file. Smart Contract must be PHP class name Smart Contract, which extends Smart Contract base. Next, we will define public fields of the smart contract. These fields are the variables which will be stored in the blockchain database by execution of the smart contract. First one is the counter, which will hold how many times is this smart contract executed. It is simple variable, but in order for the smart contract engine to recognize it need to be annotated with smart contract var. Next, public field will store the list of the users who executed this smart contract. Because it is the list, it needs to be annotated with smart contract map. This instructs the smart contract engine how to read and store these values. For the creation of smart contract on the blockchain, deploy function must be executed. This deploy function need to be annotated with smart contract deploy. It can have some parameters which will be passed with deploy transaction. In our case, our parameter is start value, which can initialize our counter. In order to count each execution, we will define function which is annotated with smart contract transact. This function requires blockchain transaction because it will modify state of the smart contract. Here we will first increment the counter, and then we will add the address of the user who executed smart contract to the users list. There is another type of function which can be used only to read the state of the contract. In our case, we will have function which will return us the address of the user with most counts. This function is annotated with smart contract view. We will save again our file, and we are now ready to try it first in the virtual smart contract engine.